What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about two different camping stoves for backpacking. One from Ozark Trail or Walmart, and the other one I got off Amazon. And it's made by a company called Wadeo or Wadeo. You let me know in the comments below how you think that's said. This one came in at $14.99, and I believe I paid $13 or $14.99 for this one as well. I'll leave links in the description down below for both of these, as well as this dual port canister adapter. First, let's start by weighing everything. So we're going to move these out of the way, bring the scale up, wait for it to turn on, and just make sure everything's zeroed. We're going to start with the Ozark Trail. And the Ozark Trail is coming in at 8.1 ounces. And the Wadeo is coming in at 9.8 ounces. Now let's talk size when they're packed up. The Wadeo is about 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. The Ozark Trail is about 6 inches by 4 1/2. Let's go start by opening up the Ozark Trail and seeing what you got. Came with this plastic camp fuel canister, the stove itself, little instructions, and an adapter so you can hook it up to a 1-pound propane canister. And both of these will run off of the Coleman propane canisters. After opening it up, and I've used this a couple times, I don't like the valve handle itself. It's small for when it's in use, and none of these are actually level. So if you try to put, let's say, all right, now that we have this on, just show you guys, if a wind came by, it would knock this over. I actually have to keep something weighted in this to keep it even on there because of the handle. But it's not level on there. Let's set this off to the side and let's start opening up the Wadeo. One of the things I really do like about this is that the valve is on top of it and it's got this hose. So you can just hook it up, set it up, and it's off to the side. You can adjust the flame down here. You don't have to get anywhere near it. That is until you have to use the igniter. So once all the feet are out, let's set this up. Tell you what, the machining on these things, or the tolerances, are not good. Head set up. You do get a nice big surface area so you can put stuff on, and this one just feels more sturdier if you're camping, especially if you're in the middle of the woods. You're not going to have a nice flat table. This one, you do get quite a significantly bigger placement surface area. The area where the flame comes out to, or the burner, is a lot bigger as well. That's give you guys a side-by-side real quick of the two. And the only bad thing I see about having a bigger burner like that is you're going to go through a bit more fuel, but you're also going to be able to bring stuff up to temperature quicker. So tomato. Yeah, like I said, one of the biggest drawbacks to this is you got to have your hand down here when you're igniting it, and it's not as, the distance isn't as far away from each other. But other than that, I think this is the way to go. This one did come with the adapter for the 1-pound propane cylinder, and I'll show you guys them running on each. And for, like I said, I don't think I paid more than $18 for this. I think it was $15.99. It's actually why I bought it. It's a lot more sturdier. You're able to, like I said, put bigger pots and pans on, and even smaller ones. Like this is a Stanley 2 cup you can pick up at Walmart, and it still fits. So if you're looking for one of these, this is the one I would recommend. It packs up smaller, weighs a bit more, but I think that's worth the trade-off. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this content, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.